Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Earth and loading the exact locations you'll zoom between. This defines the motion path. Once done, set your project resolution and 16:9 aspect ratio so video output matches your editor. Make sure to prepare a screen recorder with 30 to 60 frames per second and a fixed capture window. This avoids rescaling later. Also, save the start and end place marks and note altitude values in meters. These numbers control how smooth and dramatic the zoom will feel. Now you build the motion. Create a tour and place keyframes for start, 1 or 2 midpoints, and the end. You control camera tilt, heading, and altitude at each keyframe to shape easing. Small altitude tweaks create natural acceleration. Once you've set a few test moves, play the tour and watch timing. If it feels off, nudge durations. Record short segments first, 3 to 5 seconds, so you can stitch cleanly. Make sure overlays and pop-ups are disabled to keep frames consistent. Finish by importing your footage into a non-linear editor where you match frame rates, stabilize shaky frames, and apply light color correction so segments read as one move. Once done, join clips with gentle crossfades or subtle speed ramps to hide cuts. Then export using H.264 for web or ProRes for high quality. If you encounter stuttering, first confirm your recorder's FPS and playback settings, update GPU drivers, and re-render the problematic segment at a constant frame rate before replacing it in the timeline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.